Your Eminence, Francis Cardinal Arinze, welcome. No, na Christ the King Parish. Nukunna, no, Nukunna, welcome. Nukunna, no, Nukunna, welcome. Eh? Eh, Mkpochi, Mkpochi ntị. Eh? Eh, eh, ears, ears, block to truth, word freedom. Mkpochi ntị means Mkpochi, Mkpochi, Mkpochi. Then ntị, ear, Nti, ntị. Mkpochi means block, ntị means ear. That means Mkpochi ntị, ears, block to the truth. Yeah? Ears blocked to the truth. Many dwelling in evil mind, in evil negativities, dwelling in their deluded world, in delusion world. Illusion covers their face. They have gone through all kind of counseling, they brought in psychiatrists, physicians, therapists, advisors, medication, injection. They gave them all kind of help and food and drink, all kind of resources, but their ears blocked to the truth, to banish and give up all their evil ways and evil negativities, bad intention and bad minds. They continue to rob people, rob the world, like rape, terrorize, steal, rob, criminals, dwelling in delusion, dwelling in everybody against them. The world want to destroy them, making them wicked against the world, against lives and properties, wishing the world bad, wishing the end of the world, wishing natural disaster against the world. Their ears blocked to destroy all Mkpochi. I use all animals, roasters, hens, 33 bitter colors, male dog, nkita, male dogs, obagu, baby spider, cosmetic soap, tissue napkin, destroy and turn all of them upside down. The foundation where it's rising from, I use all animals, roasters, hens, 33 bitter colors, uncountable rabbit, Chuku and Indiota walls, all colors blocking, build physical and spiritual giant walls, block all Mkpochi. All rise, get up, be free. Peter Nkwuaku. USA, 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 Sanko.